Welcome to a new video from Elishop, and today I'm going to talk about several iFixit products. iFixit is known as the specialist in phone and console repair tools and is known for their good quality products. They sell all kinds of tools and toolboxes needed for repairs on consumer electronics, which are perfect for private and professional use. Therefore, in this video I'm going to talk about the 3 most sold iFixit products on our website. The first product we have is the Manta Toolkit. This toolkit contains 2 aluminum screwdrivers, of which one can magnetically hold 1/4 inch precision bits and the other one can magnetically hold 4mm bits. Both screwdrivers have a serrated handle for more grip and a silky smooth spinning top. The Manta case contains 112 precision bits. So basically every imaginable bit is in this case, so there's a high chance that you will find the correct bit for your problem. Furthermore, there are also several adapters, so different dimensions of bits can be used instead of the 1/4 inch screwdriver, or if you want to use your own screwdriver. The case itself has a lid which is magnetically attached to the case, so the use of parts that are susceptible to wear, such as hinges and closures, are avoided. The lid can be used as a sorting tray for your screws and components, or you attach it to the bottom of your case so you can save space on your desk. The second product we have is the Mecha Precision Driver Kit. Compared to the Manta Toolkit, this toolkit only contains 1 screwdriver for 4mm bits and contains only 64 bits. The case and the lid have the same characteristics as the Manta Toolkit, so they are also magnetically attached to each other, and the lid also has a sorting tray. This toolkit also contains a flexible attachment of 150mm long, which can be used for hard to reach places. The last product we have is the Protect Toolkit. This toolset is basically a very comprehensive Mecha toolkit, since it contains again a 4mm screwdriver, 64 bits and a flexible extension, but now also a lot of extra tools. This toolkit contains all kinds of tools, which can be used for instance for prying, gripping, lifting and working easy safe. The complete set is stored in a compact and durable polyester canvas roll. Every bit in all 3 sets is made of high quality durable S2 steel and has a lifetime warranty at iFixit. So if you lose a bit, you can always request a new one. These were the 3 most popular iFixit products sold on our website. All toolboxes contain a big variety of bits, so you can probably find the one you need. And everything is of very high quality. iFixit sells many more tools and toolboxes to help you fix your own products, and you can check them out on our website. And then I want to end it here, so I want to thank you for watching and hopefully I'll see you at the next video.